Well, Sarah, we've gotten a copy of yet another coronavirus relief proposal, this one being circulated by the office of Senate Majority Mitch McConnell amongst Republican senators and even some business groups as he tried to figure out what exactly his members support and what the White House would sign. Now, this proposal would call for taking back $429 billion that Treasury took from the Fed's emergency lending programs and putting it toward some other relief measures, including unemployment assistance, extending the programs that would expire at the end of the year by 1 month and then phasing them out over the next 2 months. It also includes $332.7 billion for another round of the Paycheck Protection Program, as well as revenue loss thresholds for certain businesses. It includes also a special provision for entertainment venues that have lost business during the pandemic. And it also includes a provision to offer protections from liability concerns for some businesses. So this is something that I'm hearing is still in draft form. They're trying to solicit some feedback from members and comes as Democrats have sending their own letter on COVID relief to Republicans as well. So we'll see where these talks go. But clearly, there's a lot of momentum to try to get something done in the next 2 weeks to move alongside a government funding bill and before Congress would leave for the holiday recess. Guys.
So the total size of this bill, Elon, is what? Do we know?
Yeah, so it's a little bit unclear. The way that the document that I have is put together, you don't really see a spreadsheet of the numbers. So I'm still trying to add it all up. And also it's being offset in part by that $429 billion that is being returned to Treasury from the Fed. So we're working through that. But I don't think at first blush that it would approach the nearly $1 trillion that was proposed earlier today by a bipartisan group of senators and House members as well. So I think it would be below that number because Republicans have been concerned about exactly how big this price tag could be.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.